In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Google Meet call from Google Chat and share the invite link. By the end, you'll be able to launch a Meet call right from your chat and quickly send the joining link to anyone who needs it. First, open Google Chat. You can do this in a browser at chat.google.com, from the Chat tab in Gmail, or in the Google Chat mobile app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you use multiple profiles for work and personal use, so the call is created in the right place. Next, open a conversation or a space. A conversation can be one-on-one or a small group chat, while a space is more like a room or channel for a team. Choose the place where you want to kick off the call, because that's where you'll likely share the link back once it's generated. If you're not sure which to use, pick the existing thread where the people you need are already active. Now, look for the video call button, which appears as a small camera icon. On desktop, you'll usually find it near the top of the chat window or by the message box. On mobile, it may appear along the top bar of the conversation. Click or tap that camera icon. This is the trigger that creates a Google Meet session tied to your account. Google Meet will open automatically, typically in a new browser tab on desktop or within the app interface on mobile. If prompted, allow your browser or device to access your microphone and camera so people can hear and see you. You don't have to join the meeting yet to grab the invite link, but it's helpful to verify your audio and video look good before others arrive. Once Meet is open, find the option labeled Copy Joining Info or Copy Link. Copy Joining Info usually includes the full meeting details, while Copy Link gives you the direct URL. Either option works. If you want something short and simple, the link alone is perfect. Finally, paste the link wherever your participants will see it. Drop it right back into your Google Chat conversation or space. Send it by email, or share it in any other communication tool your team uses. Anyone with the link can click to join, based on your organization's settings. That's it. Open Google Chat, choose your conversation or space, hit the camera icon, let Google Meet open, copy the joining info or link, and paste it wherever you need. You're ready to start your next meeting with just a few clicks.